Hello friends, welcome back. Today we will discuss about the top 6 journal in the different subject like computer science, mechanical, civil engineering, electrical, power electronics, electronic telecommunication, bioinformatics, management, commerce and many more topics will be covered in this elsewhere category journal. So before starting the video, in the first category of the journal, elsewhere category, the journal title name is Engineering Applications of Artificial Intelligence. So as its name indicated, this journal is especially related to the computer science and IT researchers, and this journal is also related to the electronics, electricals and power electronics engineering researcher. So if you are a researcher in this particular fields, then you can publish your research paper in this paper journal. So now the impact factor 4.2 and side score 8.0, and most important thing about this journal, acceptance rate of this journal 10%, and you will get the notification within 7 weeks, and after that 3 weeks are required to publish your research paper. So total time required in this journal 10 weeks, so near about 2.5 months are required to publish your research paper in this quality index journal. Now if you want to explore about this journal, just click on the read more. So this section will provide all the details related to this particular journal, so description part given here and also the topics. So what types of the topics covered by this journal, so you can see here. So if your research area comes under these titles and topics, then you have to submit your research paper in this quick publication and good impact factor journal. Left hand side you will see here journal metrics, journal side score, impact factor and ranking. So many things are available here. Now focus on the indexing, whether this journal related to the Scopus category, SCI category and many more. So you will get here about this type of the information. Just click on. So we always recommend to Scopus categories. So you can see here the journal related to the Scopus category, SCI index category and also the many more indexes. So explore this journal, and if you want to submit your research paper, just click on the submit your research paper, this section. So it will be redirected to the submission page. And if you want to know about the fees related to this particular journal, so just click on the open access option. Here you will get the two types of the category. First one is the gold open access and green open access category. And if you want to publish your research paper, then you have to choose green open access, otherwise you have to pay for the gold open access. So it's up to you how you want to publish your research paper. Next category of the computer methods and programs in biomedicine. So this journal also related to the particular elsewhere category, and the general acceptance rate of this journal 22%, and within 5 weeks you will get the notification whether your research paper or manuscript accepted or not, or minor changes are required, and after that 7 weeks are required to publish your research paper. So total time required in this journal 12 weeks. So most probably your research paper will get published within 3 months. So really very quick publication journal, elsewhere category journal, and also the very good impact factor 22%. So the chances of your research paper acceptance is very high. So what types of the topics covered by this journal? So this journal is especially related to the computer science students and researchers, cloud computing, big data, health information and image processing. So many topics covered by this journal. So if you want to explore this journal, so just click on the read and more section. So this section will provide all the topics and titles given by this journal. So these topic and title, if your research area comes under these topics and aim and scope and title, then you have to submit your research paper for this particular journal. Now focus on the abstract and indexing part. So this provide this particular about the whether the journal is related to the Scopus category, SCI category and many more. So you can see here this journal having so many indexing, very rich indexing, like the Scopus index, science citation index and many more. So explore this journal very carefully if your research area comes under this topics and title. Next category of the journal is the biosystems, and under the category of the elsewhere category, impact factor 1.8, side score 3.2 and acceptance rate of this journal 33%. So really very good chances and great chances to publish or acceptance of your manuscript, and you will get the notification within 6 weeks, and after that 5 weeks are required to publish your research paper. So total time required 11 weeks. So near about within 3 months your research paper will get published in this category. And what types of the researcher can publish their research paper? So if you are a researcher in the field of the molecular biology, biochemistry, like this type of the topics covered by this journal, so explore this section for this type of the topics and titles. So here in this section you will get the note all the topics, titles and aim and scope. So you can see here biological computation, all the related titles and topics are given here. So if your research area falls under this topics and title, then you have to submit your research paper in this quick publication journal. So now focus on the whether this journal related to the Scopus category, SCI category. So just click on that particular thing. So you can see here there is many more indexing, like the SCI index journal, is Scopus index category journal, and SCI index journal, SCIE index journal, and many more indexing. So really very good indexing. And if you want to submit, just click on this particular submit your research paper. Want to know about the publication fees? So here you will get the two types of the category, gold open access and green open access. If you want to submit your research paper and if you want to pay the fee, then you have to pay choose the gold open access. Otherwise, if you don't want to pay money for the publication, then you have to choose the green open access category. So explore this section very carefully about this particular thing. And guide for author, here you will get the how we will prepare our manuscript for this journal publication. Next category of the journal, solar energy materials and solar cells. So this journal having the good impact factor like the 6.9 and site score 11.6. so really very good impact factor and very good site score. So the acceptance rate of this journal 27%, and within 4 weeks you will get the notification, and after that 2 weeks are required to publish your research paper. So total time required to publish your research paper and research article 6 weeks. So near about 1.5 months are required to publish your research paper. So really very quick publication and rapid publication journal in the different fields like solar energy, renewable energy, electronics, environment. So this type of the researcher can publish their research paper in this category. So what types of the topics? So you can see here, explore this particular section. So here you will get all the related information about the topics, titles and event scopes. So all the things are given here. So explore this section very carefully. Now focus on the abstract and indexing, whether the journal related to the Scopus category or so SCI indexing are available, also Scopus category, and many more things are available. So just explore this journal. Next category of the journal, computational and structural biotechnology journal. So really very good impact factor and also the site score, and the acceptance rate of this journal is 37%. So really very good chance and great chances to acceptance of your manuscript and research article in this journal, and you will have the notification, first notification whether your research paper accepted or not within 6 weeks, and after that 4 weeks are required to publish your research paper. So total time required for this journal 10 weeks. So near about 2 to 3 months are required. 3 months are required to publish your research paper. Really very good and quick publication journal in that different fields like the computer science researcher, genetics, biomedicals and biophysics, molecular biotechnology. So this type of the researcher can publish their research paper in this particular journal. So explore this journal very carefully, because this journal also having the kind of interdisciplinary categories. So many researchers can publish their research paper. So explore this journal very carefully, and if your research area comes under these topics and title, then you have to submit in this quick publication journal. Now related to the Scopus category and SCI index category, so just click on FCI or not. all the information you will have here. So you can see this journal related to the SCI category, Scopus category, and many more indexing. So really very good indexing. So explore this journal very carefully, and if your research area match with this particular topics and title, then you have to submit for the publication. Next category of the International Journal of Management Education. So impact factor of this journal, you can see 2.3 and site score 3.5. The acceptance rate of this journal 18%. So really very good impact factor. So the chances of your research paper is high, and you will get the notification whether your research paper accepted or not, or minor changes. Within 4 weeks you will have the notification, and after that 2 weeks are required to publish your research paper. So total time required to publish your research paper from submission to publication 6 weeks. So near about 1.5 months are required to publish your research paper. So really very quick publication, rapid publication journal. So what types of the topics covered by this journal, you can see here in this section. So if you are a researcher in the field of the business and management and education and also the strategy, so like this type of the researcher can publish their research paper in this particular quick publication journal. So now focus on the abstract indexing part. So just click on this particular. So here you will get the information about the category of this journal, like Scopus category, SCI category. So you can see here the journal related to Scopus category and also the SCI index journal category. So friends, thank you for watching this journal. So these all 6 journal are comes under the category of the rapid publication journal and quick publication journal. So explore these journal, and if your research area match with this titles, aim and scope, then you have to submit for your रिसर्च पेपर पब्लिकेशन. सो फ्रेंड्स, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. अगर आपको ये वीडियो आपकी रिसर्च में सपोर्टिव लगा हो, आपको कुछ बेनिफिट्स मिला हो, कुछ वैल्यू एडिशन हुई हो आपके रिसर्च के रिगार्डिंग, तो अपना प्यार दिखाइए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारी चैनल को. हम ऐसे ही वीडियो आपके लिए लेकर आते रहेंगे. और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. अपने फ्रेंड्स की भी हेल्प कीजिए, उनको भी वीडियो शेयर कीजिए, अपने मैक्सिमम फ्रेंड अपने ग्रुप्स में भेजिए. सो फ्रेंड्स, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.